Welcome to our video on iTop PDF. Today we're going to explore this incredible PDF tool that makes managing your documents easier than ever. Whether you need to edit, convert, or protect your PDFs, iTop PDF has got you covered. Let's dive in and see what makes iTop PDF stand out from the rest. Now let's take a closer look at some of the key features of iTop PDF. First, it offers a powerful editing tool that allows you to modify text, images, and even links within your PDF files. Second, iTop PDF's conversion capabilities enable you to effortlessly convert PDFs to various formats, like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Third, it provides robust security options, letting you encrypt your documents and add watermarks to protect your content. And finally, iTop PDF's user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can navigate and utilize its features with ease. So how do you use iTop PDF? It's really simple. First, download and install the software from the official website. Once installed, open the program and import your PDF file. From there, you can start editing, converting, or securing your document using the intuitive toolbar. And if you ever get stuck, iTop PDF offers comprehensive guides and customer support to help you out. Give it a try and see how iTop PDF can transform the way you handle your PDF documents. Imagine having a tool that simplifies your document management. With iTop PDF, you can easily convert, edit, and share your PDFs with just a few clicks. No more struggling with complicated software or wasting time on tedious tasks. Plus, it's designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can use it, even if you're not tech-savvy. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who deals with PDFs regularly, iTop PDF can make your life easier. So there you have it. iTop PDF is your all-in-one solution for managing PDFs. It's efficient, easy to use, and packed with features that cater to all your needs. Give it a try and see how it can transform the way you handle documents. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using iTop PDF.